Morning, humans. It's morning. Can we go back to bed now? Huh?
Here's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line. Try a different lipstick.
Oh man. I have to fix my ponytail. Yes, stomach, I have to feed you. I have to do many things. I have to feed my cat. This one nope. Okay, I gotta remember to grab a pen. Forgot to do that yesterday. I'm tired. I feel warm. I'll work today till 3:30. Yes. And then I'm off tomorrow, so I have to think of what I need to do tomorrow to work on this, figuring this out. That's what I need to do. Okay. My thought process. I don't know what it is. I know what it is I need sleep. That's what it is. Oh well. I'll get it eventually. Tonight. Maybe I'll take a nap when I get off of work. That sounds like a novel idea, Brandy. You should do that. I probably won't, though. And I'm home! I've been home for like 40 minutes, I want to say, between traffic and whatnot, getting home. But I've been eating unhealthy grilled cheese, but it's so good. Kinda tired, my legs hurt, my calf muscles hurt, I don't know why. Just weird pain I'm having at the moment. Check it up, so I think my body's realized I'm almost 30. It's gonna fall apart. Definitely falling apart. Yep. I gotta edit, render, upload, but there's a couple YouTube videos I want to watch first, so I'm gonna do that. I might throw some Vicks on my throat to help me with my coughing fits. I've had several today. Not cool at all. I'm like in pain too. Make the pain stop, please. So I'm going about editing the vlog finally. It's 5:30, I know, I'm doing it late. I was watching YouTube videos and other things on the internet distracted me. But I'm finishing up and getting ready to title it. I'm like, okay, I'll title this. What was yesterday? 777. If you guys have been here a while, you'll know that the number 7 is an omen for me. When it gets past 2 sevens, I get a little... So we passed that mark. This is 778, ladies and gentlemen. And... woo! Made it. I gotta take nail polish off my toenails. I think paint my nails clear. Yes, I have a clear coat I bought today. I want a clear coat on my nails. Actual clear. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my, I'm reading this thing. Hilarious texting pranks. I post a link onto my Facebook page. I'll post a link in this description. I have been laughing so hard. I'm crying, I'm laughing so hard. And coughing, I'm laughing so hard. I only got 2 in, and I'm like, I can't breathe. Oh my god. First 2 got me good. I gotta see what the next one is. fast how. I'm sorry, I'm reading this thing and talking to you while I read it. My ADHD is probably fucking exploding right now. Oh my god. This earlier, Arthur Jerry is stuck in his legs are turning some weird blue color. Leaving a small shirt inside your temples will make you should mention the 30 really stuck. You can call it. You're not gonna help me out, Mel. Damn it, Mel. Oh my god. Laughter is the best medicine, children. It's 7:30. I'm crying. I need to get off the internet. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna continue to read these. It's too funny. I may have to get a new camera. You guys fell off my desk, and I didn't think anything of it until I'm looking at it and like, yeah, you guys are all kind of banged up. So I might have to get a new camera. Oh, I've been doing so good with you guys. Oh, I got a dent and a drop to your back. Your bottom's all jacked up now. Oh my god. I can't believe. I can. How long have I been using this camera? Oh shit, when did I get a new camera? I think I've been vlogging for a year or so. Oh, it's been, yeah, I've had you guys for a while. This is the second time that I thought I had to get a new camera, but I really jacked you guys up. Like, oh, the bottom. For a second I thought it wasn't gonna record. I wasn't gonna get this, and then I forgot about a show I wanted to watch at 10 o'clock, the Castles thing. This is not good. Not good at all. I still might have to get a new camera, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll order one just in case. Just in case. We'll see. If need be, I have my other camera I was using before, but it's not the greatest. I saw a couple prospective new cameras on Amazon. I don't know yet. We will see. As long as you guys keep running. Maybe I still have that backup one. But yeah, I'm not gonna exercise. It's 11:30. I just don't feel like coughing up a lung anymore. Oh shit, I was supposed to take medicine an hour ago. I was supposed to take cough medicine an hour ago. Fuck. Just been like, la-da-da. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or maybe I'll be more thoughts. Yeah. Night!
If I was a guy, I'd get to wear the pants, making all the decisions, asking girls